Hello everyone, this is me Chiransha Malhotra and you're watching this video on Campus Wala. So today I'm going to tell you about top 10 colleges of BBA in Madhya Pradesh. But before we start, do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. The first name we are having on the list is of IIM, Indian Institute of Management Indore. IIM is providing integrated course for BBA. It is established in 1996 and ranked 7 under the management category by NIRF. It is recognized by AICTE and AIU. And if you talk about fees, for 5 years course, it is having 30 lakhs fees. And if you want to take admission in this college, you should be 12th pass by 60% marks, and for the entrance, you have to give IP MAT examination. The next name is DAVV, Devi Ahalya Vishwavidyalaya Indore. It is also providing integrated course for BBA and it is established in 1964. Approved by UGC and by Grade A by NAC. This course is 2,65,000 per year, and if you talk about admission process, you should be 12th pass by at least 50% marks. The next name is NIMS, Narseh Monjee Institute of Management Studies Indore. It is established in 2017 and approved by AICTE. The fees for 3 years course is 7.54 lakhs approx, and for admission process you should be 12th pass by 60% marks and should give NIMS and ANPET exam for entrance level. The next name is SUAS, Symbiosis University of Applied Sciences Indore. It is established in 2016 and approved by UGC AICTE. If we talk about fees, it is having 7.15 lakhs approx for 3 years course, and the admission process, you should be passed by 50% marks in 12th standard and you have to give personal interview for the entrance level. The next name we are having on the list is of IEHE, Institute for Excellence in Higher Education Bhopal. This university is established in 1995 and approved by Barkatullah University Bhopal, recognized by Grade A NAC. And if we talk about fees, the normal fee for 3-year course is 96,000 and payment seat for 3 years is 4,77,000. If we talk about admission process, you should be 12th pass and the admission will be held by merit basis. The next name is PIMR, Prestige Institute of Management and Research Indore. Now this university is established in 1994 and ranked 58 by Outlook India. This is affiliated by Devi Ahalya University and recognized by NAC. If we talk about fees, the 3-year fees for the course is 4.95 lakh, and if we talk about admission process, you must have 60% marks in 12th standard and the admission will be held at merit basis. The next name is BSSS, Bhopal School of Social Sciences. This is established in 1972 and affiliated to Bhopal University, approved by NAC A grade. And if we talk about fees, for the BBA course, it is having 1,60,000 approx for 3 years. And if we talk about admission process, you must have 60% marks in 12th standard and the admission will be held by merit basis. Next is JLU, Jagran Lake City University Bhopal. Now this is established in 2013 and approved by AICTE UGC. The fees for the 3 years course is 3 lakhs approx, and if we talk about admission process, you must have 60% marks in 12th standard and your admission will be held by merit basis. The next name is Amity University Gwalior. It is established in 2010, ranked by 84 by India Today and recognized by UGC AICTE. If we talk about fees, for 3 years course, it is having 3.5 lakh approx. And if we talk about admission process, you must have 50% marks in 12th standards and your admission will be done by merit basis. The last is RCCM, Renaissance College of Commerce and Management Indore. Now this college is established in 2006, approved by UGC and affiliated to Devi Ahalya Vishwavidyalaya. Now fees for 3-year course is 2 lakh, and if we talk about admission process, you must have 45% in 12th standard and your admission is done on merit basis. So that's it for today guys. If you want more information regarding these colleges, you can post comment below. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Campus Wala. Thanks for watching.